these little jewels. After many years of using a small church for their lessons, now have their own space. The Jew Pen Basic School located in Bogwalk, St. Catherine, received a new building created by Food for the Poor Jamaica in partnership with the Education Ministry. The school now houses 54 students and 2 teachers.
We can only imagine the joy you now feel in having a building of your own after 50 years of operating in church buildings. The new structure boasts 3 classrooms, bathroom facilities, office, a kitchen equipped with refrigerator and stove, a sick bay and a veranda.
Is a good investment for the future.
Things already better for the Jew Pen students who are so thrilled. Some friends of ours over in Mandeville know the feeling. The UniPen Early Childhood Institution recently celebrated the school's 40th anniversary and received a new computer lab courtesy of private sector support.
As a part of your new computer lab, Amico would like to present you with this printer.
The investment that more and more people in the private and voluntary sector are making in early childhood education is a good investment for the future.
Our little UniPen friends offered up some praise and thanksgiving. Even as we ensure our students have the proper facilities and equipment for learning, we also need to engage their minds. And one school in St. James has created a fun and ingenious way to do this. That's our final focus in today's School Zone.
Read a book for a better tomorrow. Read a book and drive ahead. It's time to make a start. Come and play your part. All on board, one child at a time.
Get set, go.
This is our 5th reading marathon. This is an event where we invite schools from the parishes of Trelawney, St. James, Hanover and Westmoreland to participate in a lot of reading activities geared to improve literacy in Jamaica.
And as we close, we share a word of advice from the Principal Director of the National College for Educational Leadership.
Reading gives you knowledge. What does reading give you? Knowledge about places, knowledge about people, knowledge about things, knowledge about ideas. Reading gives you wisdom. What does reading give you?